So I now have a plastic bottle and its lid, and we're going to use this to make a rocket with the alcohol. So make sure the inside of your bottle is dry. So now what you're going to want to do is take the lid of your bottle and a pair of scissors and carefully make a hole. And you want to make your hole probably about the thickness of a pencil. So let's just see, I've got a pencil here. And yeah, so that fits a pencil in. So let's see if that works like that. So now what you want to do is add some alcohol to the bottle. Whoops. So you don't need much, just enough to coat the inside of the bottle. Then with your bottle you can kind of shake that around inside and make sure it's all coated inside and that you filled it with vapours. Okay. Make sure there isn't too much on the lid so that it doesn't catch on fire. And then what you can do is you can light a match and hold it to the end. And I'd stuffed there so it stopped it, but as you can see that's the rocket effect. So now I'll try it on the floor and I'll show you how far it goes. So as you can see, that's a pretty fun thing to do at home if you have any burning alcohol. So just to finish off, I'm just going to do a whoosh bottle in this now.